Sari stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a gorgeous collection of hand woven Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are woven with zari and they are perfect for Navratri, which is fast approaching. So let's get started with this lovely collection. We begin with a very festive Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage moss green shade. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very pretty vintage moss green kind of shade, and there are floral zari motifs on the body. The borders are in a combination of maroon and green, and they have paisley motifs in zari. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has Pakshi motifs, Banaras motifs, and Mailkand motifs. The sari has a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a traditional gold necklace or a kemp atike. An absolutely lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a striking shade of purple. The body of the sari is in a very vibrant, striking shade of purple. There are stripes running along the width of the sari. The borders of the sari have two stripes of zari. The pallu of the sari has zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with an ivory or gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with simple traditional gold jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very auspicious yellow. This one has a very unusual brownish border. The body of the sari is in a very auspicious festive shade of yellow, and there are mild chakram motifs in zari on the body. The borders are in a very unusual, delightful, short brownish color. The pallu of the sari is in the same short brownish color as the borders, and there are zari lines on the pallu. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same short brown as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. A ruby or green adiga will look lovely with this sari. If you love threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris, then you're sure to love this beautiful, subtle, pastel steel blue Kanjivaram. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very subtle steel blue color. There are threadwork motifs all over the body. The borders have Banaras motifs and it's in a beautiful shade of sea green. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in sea green and pink. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a deep tealish sea green and there are stripes running along the width. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with silver jewelry, beaded jewelry, or traditional gold jewelry. Ayiram Butta or Thousand Butta is a beautiful design in Kanjivaram silk saris that every Kanjivaram silk sari lover wishes to have in her wardrobe. We have a lovely Ayiram Butta Kanjivaram for you in a beautiful combination of pearl and red. The body of the sari is in a very pretty, very pastel shade of pink, and there are Ayiram Buttas in thread in a beautiful pearl color all over the body. The borders are in a combination of red and yellow, and there are two stripes of zari on the borders. The radiant red pallu of the sari has Playar Mukku in zari. The sari has a red blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely green necklace. An absolutely gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a beautiful mix of orange rose. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a delightful mix of orange and rose, and there are circular zari motifs all over the body. The borders have quilkand motifs in zari, and there is a beautiful magenta pink selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The beautiful deep pink pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis, and diamond motifs. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This sari is a gorgeous one and it's perfect for bridal occasions like Onjal. You can shop for our carefully curated, beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more festive collections. Till then, take care and bye.